Hello from my side also. It's really nice to be here. Thank you for inviting and thank you for being. We are grateful to be part of the project. I'm Aare from Pärnu, from Estonia. So you have already listened a lot about Pärnu. So I will stick to the project side. But I was happy to hear that actually also Dolores and also Kocheva has plans also for agriculture and smart agriculture. So commercial break is that I'm also co-founder of one IT company, and we are creating software for autonomous greenhouses, and we are right now focusing autonomous irrigation system for the greenhouse. So if you are starting to build yours, please contact me. And we are right now in the testing period of this software. So at the end of the September, I think first tests are done, and then we are ready to go to the market. So not only the project side, but also we are doing some other interesting stuff in Estonia. So Green for Life, why we participate in this project is because this project helped us to be more focused on the Green Deal and the youth. And I'm proud that our company, Farm, this is a family-owned company, who's doing different stuff from, of course, funding opportunities and everything else, but we are mainly focused on business side. And through the business side and the service design, and also note for you, we have a really good experience in using service design methodology in public sector. One of our co-founders is working with the Estonian government. So, and other bigger public sectors. So we, through this business side, we saw that we need to spark the young minds about also the European Green Deal and also digitalization, and that's why we participate in different projects. And for the diagnosis, why we do that? As our vice mayor said, that Estonia traditionally, the traditional energy comes from oil shale, so we call it brown coal, and this is the main source. Basically, we just take it up and burn it. And our government has set a really ambitious goal to be carbon neutral in 2050. This means we should stop burning shale oil. How do we do that? So they're focusing really about renewable energies, especially the wind parks and sun parks. As our vice mayor said, that there are going to be big wind parks near Pärnu city. So we saw the opportunity to, thanks to this project, actually to bring more young people into the green energy field, because we need new workforces, and this helps. So we said. To this project, we just develop an action plan, what we will implement after the project, and we will get some other funding to do the activities. But yeah, we like that the young people lead the clean energy transition, meaning that they are on board, because those young people right now in 2050 will be the main decision makers. And through that, they help, we can actually achieve this goal as a nation. And yes, we will focus firstly education, and then collaboration with business and everything else. So our action plan is only 4 major activities, or 4 objectives. We want to educate at least 500 young people about the renewable energy. Also, we like to make at least 10 community-based energy projects through hackathons, or at least let the young people think about it, work through it, and even the project is not successful, they get experience. And of course, throughout those projects or project initiatives, usually you see that you need to make some changes in policy. And this can give us the next step to bring young people and they can experience how actually the different policies are made, what are the pluses and minuses, and how this kind of happens. And of course, raise the awareness. So basically, what we're planning to do is to train young people and not to make another project about the training materials, but thanks to the Erasmus and other projects, a lot of training materials about renewable energy has already created. We need to just look the best ones and collaborate with our partners and basically our youth centers. We can actually use already made materials to introduce the energy sector and also to help our vocational school to find new students for the energy subjects. I mean, our vocational school started to, as Thomas said, started to teach windmill technicians. Also, there is a part study. Then you can learn about sun panels technician. So we should introduce what are the options to build career, yeah, out of it. Other thing, what we plan is community project. So to bring young people together and let them start thinking how small communities can be and use greener energy. This means maybe let's make a schoolhouse or our youth center maybe more greener, using greener energy. And we will bring some experts to help them to figure out how they can do it. And we can show them also through hackathons what are the options for funding. And what we have learned doing something similar in business side is that even if those projects are not successful and they are not implemented, those people 2, 3, 4 years later will implement something similar and successfully. So the main point of the hackathons and all this training is just to spark the minds. That's all. I love last week, the head of the development center where Thomas is working says that in every development what we are doing, we need one thing, what is patience, strategical patience to wait the outcome. It's not going to be after the program, it's not going to be next year. Sometimes this will take 2, 3, 5 years when you see actually the outcome of your activities. And as usual, what we have seen in business hackathons and other idea development, there are some policies what needs to be changed to actually implement different solutions. So what we can do and what we're planning to do with the young people is to bring those young people and let them go through the process, how the policies are made, how they can change. And sometimes there is nothing that you can do. And that's also okay because they get experience. And finally, of course, we need to do the public awareness. So little campaign, little marketing, all around these activities. And that's all.